The new Ads Video Maker in Virbo AI Tools utilizes AI to analyze images, providing product names, key selling points to generate corresponding video script content, and a slogan to make your marketing videos with just a few clicks. First, head to the Virbo web app using the link in the description. You will start with 2 minutes of free credits to explore and test the features. On the home page, you'll notice Virbo's updated, streamlined interface. All the tools are conveniently categorized. On the left-hand side, you'll find the AI Tools section. Click on Video Ads Maker. Video Ads Maker is designed to create stunning, attention-grabbing video ads from just a single image. Start by uploading your product image. If you don't have an image ready, you can choose from Virbo's presets to get started quickly. Once your image is uploaded, it's time to fine-tune your video settings. Select your preferred mode, video length, and language. Hit Next and let the AI work its magic. Virbo's AI will analyze your image and automatically generate a product name, key features, video scene descriptions, and even a catchy slogan tailored to your product. You can easily edit any of this information, plus you can enter keywords to create a custom video background. Click Generate Video and wait for a short moment. You will be presented with a preview of your video ad. If the result isn't quite what you imagined, you can easily make adjustments. Change the AI voiceover. Add new background music until it's exactly right. Once you're satisfied, click Export in the top right corner. Your professional quality ad is ready to share across any platform to captivate your audience. And before you go, show some love with a like and hit subscribe to unlock even more AI tools. I will see you in the next video.